today with a quick review of these beautiful Christmas lights I received from Amazon. These Christmas lights are really neat because they are in the shape of a ribbon. They're super thin, so they're gonna look great on your Christmas tree or on decorations outside. They also come with two different ways for putting the lights up. You can either do corded, where you can plug this into the wall, or you can use batteries. See here how beautiful these lights are. And what's really nice is that there's different options here, and see all of those different options. This is also a pretty big roll of lights here. Is that they have a timer mode, which means that they'll turn on for 6 hours while in this mode, and then they'll turn off for 18 hours, and then they will just cycle throughout the rest of the days as they are on timer mode.